Good morning. Hi. Hi. Hello. You gonna bring a book? We've already seen this video before.
Hey, Rob. Thank you.
Hey, Mayrav, can you dance for us? Can you shake, shake, shake? Shake, shake, shake. You got a green ball? Are you giving it to Daddy? Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Hi. You don't know who to give it to.
Here.
Yeah.
Here. Oh. Here. 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 Here.
Where's one that we know?
Here.
What are you saying? All right, what is that? Shoes. Yeah. Shoes. I don't think a cup is in there. Mayrav, what do you drink out of?
Cup.
Cup. Good job. Where is your cup?
Cup.
Cup. Where is it? Is it in the book or is it on the floor right there? Look down. Nope, it's over here. Ew. There's your cup. Uh-oh. Hey, Mayrav, can you find me a tiger? A tiger. Where's a tiger? Tiger. Rawr. Unless you bring me the animals book, I don't know if it's going to happen. Rawr. Is that what a tiger says? Oh, Daddy's distracting you with a ball. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? You gonna come over here?